viewers, you are very welcome to this channel. Merry Christmas to everyone watching this video. May all our wish come to pass. Today we are going to learn how to add some minor chords when playing a live worship. How we are going to add some minor chords. When I said minor chords, your re is a minor, your mi is a minor, your la is a minor. You see, so we are playing key F, key F. So your re is what? G minor, and your mi is what? Is A minor, and your la is what? Is D minor, So we are going to learn how to use. I said that we can use the tor. That one too is a minor, So we are going to learn how to use them when playing a live version. So let's use this song. Nyankopon ye waye yebomukase uniye ready. So let's try this song on earth and see how we are going to do it. Nyankopon ye waye yebomukase uniye ready. Una zasina utu odu makoma aja Yebesu da 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 Yebesu da 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 Nabisi Yebesu da 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 Yebesu da 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 Nabisi Nakupo Yeyi waye Yebomukase uniye radi Assassina, Yotiwo, Wadumama, Aja, Yebesu, da da da, Yebesu, da da da, Yebesu, da da da. Yebesu da da da. So you see what I was doing? I was adding some minor, but I will teach you how to do it. You see, Nyankopon ye waye is do, Nyankopon ye waye. Yebomukase uniye radi. So you see, it's a major chord. You go to do, then you go to so. But instead of you going to so, Nyankopon ye waye. You see, they go to Nyankopon play do, they go to re. Then you go to so. You see, then you are adding some minor. So you put the re there. Nyankopon ye waye re. They go to so. You see, una assassina re. Kutuo oduma koma. So aja they come to do. Yebesu they go to so. Dada they go to fa mi. They go to tola. Yebesu they go to so. They come to da. You see. So it's very simple. How I was applying the minor chords is very simple. So if you pay very attention, this is very easy. It's a major chord you play, but I'm trying to add the mi, to, and the la so that my playing will look so nice. So let's see something. Nyankopon ye waye yebomukase uniye radi. Una assassina utu waduma aja Yebesu da 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 Yebesu da 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 Yebesu da 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 Yebesu da da da. So you see the way I was adding the minor chords, it looks so amazing. So the way I taught you, follow that progression. Instead of you playing Nyankopon ye waye yebomukase uniye radi. You stay stay on the do for long, it doesn't look mature. When you are praying worship, it doesn't look mature. Now go boy, never pass a do. See the way I did it. It looks so nice. Yebesu, yebesu, na 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 tola yebesu, na na na. You see yebesu do, fani tola yebesu so. They come to do. You see, it's a simple chord. So try and learn it. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Bye.